All right, so it is 12:30 a.m. So just after midnight, we are staying here at the Hyatt House. Where's the logos? Right there, we're staying at the Hyatt House. This is also the Hyatt Place. I've never stayed at either, so let's see what the room looks like. All right, so we've checked into the Hyatt Place here in Sacramento, near the airport. Let's take a tour of the room, starting with the bathroom. All right, for amenities, they are using Kennett MD skincare cleansing bars, single sink, toilet. So Kennett MD hair care products, plenty of towels. This is a joining room. Alright, so there's a safe down here. Little coffee pot. Plenty of closet space. There is bedding for a pull-out couch. So this room can probably sleep up to 6. So there's that. Plenty of drawer space there. There's a neat coat rack. It's after midnight, kids are already in bed. Looks pretty good. Comfy?
Yeah.
Alright. There is a wall mirror. Again, more drawer space. And then this tiny mini fridge. Alright, so that works pretty well. Pretty large TV. And phone. It's got 2 plugs, USB, USB-C. Let's see what kind of view we have from the room. I don't know. Yep. Looks like the highway. Alright, it's 1 a.m. We're going to settle in. See you in the morning. Just charge it to the room. Nope. Thank you for being awesome and watching to the end. Here are some other playlists of our food and travel adventures that you may enjoy. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Thank you and have a blessed day.